You don't have an anger problem, you have a signal problem. Anger isn't the enemy, it's the alarm bell. The question isn't, how do I stop being angry? The question is, what is the alarm telling you? Most people try to silence the alarm. They punch a wall, they scream into a pillow, they shut down. That's not dealing with anger, that's just turning off the detector while the fire keeps burning. Here's what's actually happening. Reason 1. You feel powerless. Anger is often just fear in armor. You're scared of losing control, being disrespected, or not being heard, so you get loud. Loud feels strong, but it's not. It's just noisy fear. Reason 2. You're exhausted. When you're tired, your filter gets thin. Little things become big things. That's not a character flaw, that's biology. Sleep won't fix everything, but it will stop you from yelling at someone for breathing wrong. Reason 3. You never learned a different language. If you grew up in a house where shouting was normal, your brain thinks shouting is communication. It's not. It's just volume. You can learn a new language. It starts with one sentence. I need a minute before I say something I'll regret. Here's what you actually do. Name the feeling. I'm angry. Not they're an idiot. Not this is unfair. Just I'm angry. That 1 second of naming stops the autopilot. Ask yourself, do I need to act or do I need to breathe? Most anger doesn't need action. It needs air. 10 seconds of silence can save 3 hours of apology. If you must act, act late. Send the text tomorrow. Make the call after lunch. Anger is terrible at timing. Trust your future self, not your fired up present self. Clarity. Anger is a warning light, not a steering wheel. You don't drive toward the light, you check the engine. Relief. You're not a rage monster. You're just a person who hasn't learned how to translate anger yet. That's a skill. Skills can be learned. Useful anger. Stop pretending you're not angry. That's how it leaks out sideways. Sarcasm, silence, passive aggression. Own it. Then walk it to the right door. You're not broken. You're just carrying heat you don't know how to release. Let some out. Not on someone, just out.